Redefine Hair Transplant and Plastic Surgery Centre is a leading plastic surgery clinic in Hyderabad that specializes in cosmetic surgery. The procedures and treatments we provide are excellent for the body, face, breasts, and hair. We were established in Hyderabad by one of the best plastic surgeons, Dr. Harikiran Chekuri, who has been known for providing outstanding service to all clients. We emphasize individualized care and world-class facilities. We have been providing plastic surgery in Hyderabad for more than 15 years. We offer easy EMI options for treatment. Redefine offers many types of plastic surgery, including dermabrasion, facelift, hair transplantation, rhinoplasty, lip augmentation, liposuction, reduction of tummy fat, and more. The Redefine branches in Hyderabad are located at Kothpet, Gachibowli, and Kukatpally.